Display to Play gives you the ability to show a QR code on a screen so people can scan and enter your promotion. You can design its look to reflect your brand and choose which of your promotions the QR code will direct people to. For promotions that are public and open to everyone, simply open the widget's URL on a tablet and passers-by can scan the QR with their phones. Now it works a little differently for your invite-only promotions, as the QR code is unique for each entrant. Let me explain. Imagine this. You finish a delicious meal at a new restaurant. At the end of the meal, your server invites you to play a game to win a discount off your next visit, maybe a free drink, or even a free meal. You scan the QR code on the server's tablet with your phone, and the game loads up. You click enter, fill in your contact information, and then spin to see what you win. Let's wind back a bit. What's special here is that the server generated a unique QR code that gave you one gameplay only. Now you've joined their mailing list, and you have an incentive to come back. It's like giving a personalized thank you. And for your business, it helps capture valuable marketing data and attract repeat custom. Of course, you decide which of your trusted staff can generate these QR codes and what their criteria is for inviting someone to play. There are many use cases for in-person invites. It doesn't have to be customers. It could be managers inviting well-deserving employees. It's your choice.